Well, in Houston County, with May being Mental Health Awareness Month, the school district is working with Project Aware to help connect community members with mental health resources for children. 41NBC's Ariel Schiller attended their first ever health summit to see how they're achieving that goal.
Children and teens seem to be dealing with more mental health challenges than ever before. Tangela Bryce, the Project Aware coordinator for Houston County Schools, says they decided to try something new to connect parents with mental health resources. So the district hosted its first ever mental health summit on Thursday.
What we wanted to do is bridge the gap between our parents and our community members who need mental health resources and the community providers that are in our area.
Those who attended the summit met with health and community therapy providers. Laura Whitaker Short is a senior outreach consultant for Piedmont Behavioral Health and was one of the vendors. She says mentally healthy people are healthier overall and shared a few signs that a child is struggling mentally.
If there's a change in their behavior, if they're more active or underactive, if they're sleeping more or sleeping less, if they were very talkative and they're talking less, those are all signs that something is going on.
There were 3 presentations throughout the day. The first one covered recognizing and addressing anxiety and depression in youth. Bryce shared her takeaway from the presentation.
Tune into yourself, tune into your youth or your students or your child to tune in and recognize, pay attention to some of those signs and symptoms that could be present.
Whitaker Short says there's a stigma around mental health that's prevented people from getting care. She says it's important to normalize mental health from a young age and adds kids today don't deal with the stigma like the older generations do.
With this generation, they're a lot more vocal about behavioral health and owning their behavioral health, so it's making it a lot easier for them to get access to care, and we're starting to see that stigma start to slowly come down in this age group.
In Houston County, Ariel Schiller, 41 NBC News.
And if you missed that event today and you'd like to know more about Project Aware or the service providers who were there, you can contact the Houston County Student Services Department.